So this is going to help us keep the areas sanitized for our clients. Also, our cleaning team is going to reduce, any cross contamination. It's also going to improve the quality of the cleaning, keeping everyone safe. It's a way for us to show our clients that, we're not only just there to clean, we're also there because we care. So that's one of the reasons why we think deep cleaning during these seasons are very important. Regular cleaning, it's mainly just going based off a scope of work like door handles, light switches, floors, mopping, sweeping, vacuuming. And more deep clean means sanitizing, going into the areas like corners, more in detail, like under furniture, stuff that we don't really have access to. And that's when we also talk to our clients like, hey, we're going to perform a deep clean. Can you guys remove any items so we can have more access to those areas that are not accessible much, during our regular cleaning versus deep cleaning. So we try to do our deep cleanings at least once a week. It also depends on the client. Sometimes it's as requested. Sometimes we have our schedule, which is on a quarterly basis. So it all depends on the client and also the type of building. We can have medical buildings that require more of a deep clean once a week, twice a week. So it all depends on the client, their needs. And also, if we know that this area is more of a high traffic area, even during winter, we make sure that we perform a deep cleaning based off that. So based off our judgment also.